Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the generative fill option on the Adobe Firefly. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Adobe Firefly, and after that, as you can see, has an option for the generative fill option. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has an option for the drag image here. If you want to upload an image, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on the upload image, and after clicking on the upload image, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this image. You have to open the image which you want to use for this project. So let's get started. I have uploaded this image, so we are going to make changes in this image. So let's wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, I added this image. Now what we have to do, simply, as you can see, we have got this brush. With this brush, you have to drag the area wherever you want to add. So I'm go, for example, I want to add here, and now let's write the drag this option selection, and now we have to provide, for example, I'm going to add. So as you can see, I have written this command. So let's click on the generate, and after clicking on the generate, you will be able to see the result. So as you can see, I have provided this command. According to command, it have written the word. So as you can see, if you are not happy and if you are not satisfied from the result, you can also click on the cancel. And if you want to more, you can also click on the more, and it will show you the more options here. So I'm going to click on the cancel. If you want to keep this, you have to click on the keep. So in this way, you can use the generative AI. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.